In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable live captions for any video or audio in Google Chrome. This feature can be a lifesaver if you need on-the-fly captions, whether you're in a noisy environment or simply trying to follow along with audio content more closely. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, as this feature may not be available in older versions. Once you've got Chrome open, take your mouse and navigate to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, which is the button for your Chrome settings menu. Go ahead and give that a click. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This action will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Google Chrome experience. On this page, look towards the left-hand side where you'll see a list of categories. One of these categories is titled Accessibility. It might be a bit further down, so you may need to scroll a little bit to see it. Click on Accessibility once you've found it. Once you're in the Accessibility section, you should see an option for Live Captions. This is the feature we're looking to adjust. Under the Live Captions heading, you'll find a toggle switch. Clicking this switch will turn it on or off. When you turn it on, Chrome will automatically start providing captions for all audio and video content that you play on your browser. Try this out with some content to see how it works. Keep in mind that the captions are generated by machine learning algorithms, so they might not be absolutely perfect, but they should be quite accurate in most situations. Now, let's say you want to turn off the live captions. Revisiting the same steps, heading back to the accessibility section in your settings, you can easily toggle the switch off again. This will disable the feature and return your browser to its default settings for media playback. That's pretty much it. You've learned how to enable and disable live captions for any video or audio content on Google Chrome, a tool that's incredibly useful for boosting accessibility and making content more relatable, especially for those hard of hearing or in environments where audio is not an option. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and little adjustments like this can make a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tech tips.